playgroup. As part of our unit of inquiry how we organize ourselves, we organize our assembly. We are going to show you a play called The Lion and the Mouse. We hope you enjoy. One day, a lion lay sleeping peacefully in the sun. Quite by mistake, a small mouse ran right over the lion's nose.
I see a tiny foot near the mighty lion's paw. Do I dare risk trying to get it? Yes.
Very carefully creeps near the food. Suddenly, the lion slaps his paw right down on the little mouse.
Now I got you, my little mouse. Please, oh please, son, have mercy upon the little mouse.
Why should I? You make a tasty morsel.
I am so tiny, I truly am not worth eating.
Yes, you do seem to be quite tiny.
A mighty lion such as you deserve a bigger mouthful.
Be gone and don't enter my lair again, for next time I really will bubble you up.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are a very generous lion. Thank you, thank you.
The lion lifted his paw and the grateful mouse scurried away. A few days later,
That lion's rolling, sleeping sound.
listen to the heavy snore.
Did we hear her stopping him? I don't know. Let's get closer and see how fast the lion really is.
Look proudly. The three hunters slowly creep up to the entrance of the lair.
Listen to those snores.
That lion snoring so loudly that it almost shakes a tree. I think we should take a chance to capture this lion. What do you think?
Let's try it.
Get the net ready. Are we ready?
Yes.
Yes. Let's go. Slowly, the hunters enter the lion's lair and wrap the net around the lion. Help, help, help.
Those things struggling lion can't escape from our strong net.
Let's rush back to the village and get some of our neighbors to help us carry the lion.
Everyone in the village will be so proud of us to capture such big, strong lion.
The hunters leave for the village.
Help, 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 somebody help me.
That sounds like lion's voice.
Help, 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 please help me.
That's lion's voice.
Help, help, I'm trapped, help me.
I'm coming, lion, I'm coming.
And he scampered toward the sound. He found the lion trapped under a huge net that hunters had set to trap lions.
Look at the mess I'm in, little mouse. I can't get loose from this powerful net that the three hunters have cast over me.
I can help you.
How?
With my strong, sharp teeth, I can gnaw a big hole in the net.
Please try.
He set to work gnawing at the net with his sharp teeth. Soon he had made a large hole through which the lion could escape.
There, I told you I can free you.
Thank you, little mouse. You really are a friend.
Who can guess what the moral is? Excellent. Thank you for being a great audience.